Welcome to Trivandrum, Kerala's cultural and culinary heart. From coastal seafood delights to traditional banana leaf feast, this city offers a delicious mix of flavors. In this video, we will take you through the top 10 must-visit restaurants in Trivandrum with real insight on ambience, specialties, location, and average price per person. Let us begin our food journey in God's own country. The first one is Villa Maya. Villa Maya is located on Airport Road in Injekal and offer an unforgettable fine dining experience inside a beautiful restored 18th century Dutch mansion. The restaurant specializes in both Indian and Mediterranean cuisines with dishes like Kerala style prawns, duck roast and creamy hummus platters. The ambience is romantic and royal, making it perfect for couples or special occasions. The lush garden setting and warm lighting enhance the overall vibe. It is one of the most elegant spots in the city. Every price per person is 800 to 1200 rupees. Second one is Mother's Veg Plaza. Nested near Bakery Junction in the city center, Mother's Veg Plaza is a favorite for those seeking authentic Kerala's vegetarian food. Their signature dish is the traditional sadhya, a grand feast served on banana leaf with over 20 flavorful items. The setting is simple but the flavors are rich and fulfilling. Local and tourists alike line up during lunch hours. The service is quick and the food tastes homemade. Average price per person is 250 to 350 rupees. The third one is Zamzam Restaurant. Located opposite the Secretariat in Palayam, Zamzam Restaurant serves a fusion of Arabic and Indian cuisines. Known for its juicy shawarma, sizzling grilled chicken, and fragrant biryanis, it has become a hot spot for food lovers in Trivandrum. The interior are vibrant and suitable for families and friends. It's always buzzing with energy, especially in the evenings. The menu is extensive and reasonable priced. Every price is 300 to 500 rupees per person. The fourth one is Paragon Restaurant. Found inside the mall of Travancore near the airport, Paragon is the part of famous Kerala's restaurant chain known for its quality and consistency. The Malabar biryani, prawn roast, and fish mango curry are some must-try dishes. The ambience is modern and spacious, ideal for both casual and formal dining. It is a reliable place for seafood lovers. Every price is 400 to 600 rupees per person. The fifth restaurant is Cafe Jade. Cafe Jade is located in the upscale area of Kodayar and is known for its continental and fusion food in a trendy setting. Their pasta, Thai curries, and burgers are well loved by younger crowds. It's also a popular remote work spot thanks to free Wi Fi and great coffee. A cozy, creative space to relax or meet friends. Every price is 350 to 500 rupees per person. The next hotel is Ved Seafood Restaurant. Nested along Samudra Beach in Kovalam, Ved offer an unmatched seaside seafood experience. The restaurant features outdoor setting right by the water and serve fresh lobsters, tiger prawns, and fish curry. The ocean breeze, candlelit tables, and the sound of the wave create a peaceful ambience. A must visit for seafood lovers. Every price per person is 700 to 1000 rupees. The next one is Arya Nivas. Located close to Tampunur railway station, Arya Nivas is a trusted spot for South Indian vegetarian fare. Their dosa, idli, and sambar vada that's all popular for breakfast, while their lunch thali is wholesome and budget friendly. Known for cleanliness and prompt service, great for traveler and local alike. Every price is 250 to 400 rupees per person. The next one is the Imperial Kitchen. Set in Kodiyar, the Imperial Kitchen is a fine dining restaurant that offers multi-cuisine options including North Indian, continental and Chinese. The decor is upscale with comfortable setting and soft lighting. Menu favorites include butter chicken, sizzlers, and pasta dishes. It is an ideal location for business dinners or small celebrations. Our price is 500 to 800 rupees per person. The second last restaurant is Supreme Upper Crust. Located at Fatom, Supreme Upper Crust is a bistro style restaurant offering continental and Italian delights. Their wood fried pizza, sandwiches, and baked goodies are especially popular. The minimalist design and relaxed atmosphere make it good spot for brunch or light dinners. Great place for quick bites and coffee meetups. Average price per person is 350 to 500 rupees. The last one is Spice Veda. Located near Valley Ambalam, Spice Veda offers traditional Kerala dishes with a twist in the chic modern setup. Must tries include the Kerimeen Poli Chattu, Kerala beef fry, and Tapioca dishes. The presentation is elegant and the service is polished. A great option for those looking to enjoy Kerala's cuisine in a classy environment. Average price is 500 to 700 rupees per person. Here are some tips for you before you go. Always check opening hours, some close in the afternoon. Weekend and lunch hours can be busy. Make reservation if possible. Try traditional Kerala meals. They are authentic and very affordable. If you are near the beach, seafood is always a fresh and flavorful choice. Street food in Trivandrum is also worth trying for budget-friendly options. That's wrap up our list of the top 10 best restaurants in Trivandrum. Whether you want coastal seafood, hearty veg thalis, or global flavors, this city will never disappoint you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more foodies guides across India. See you in the next video.